Hey y'all, Miss Brown here. I can't get my webcam to work again. So, y'all know how we roll. We just go with the flow, right? So, let me talk about what we did on Monday for science. Turn down my scenery music. Okay, y'all. So, 8th grade pre-AP science. I'm going to talk about what we did yesterday, and I might even combine it with what we're going to do today. We'll see. So, you hop into Canvas. And then y'all always hit the week button that I change each week. So this week it's pink and it's the week 5 button. So we're going to hit that and it will bring us right to week 5, which is pretty cool. So this week we are wrapping up topographic maps and you have a tech check on Tuesday of next week. So that's my next week that I've got kind of going. So that's not the one we're talking about. Talking about this one. So Monday, September 14th for grade 8 pre-AP science. So like I was saying, we have a tech check on Tuesday of next week. So Tuesday, 9/22. So you want to pop it in your planner so that way you are ready to go. So yesterday was a fairly easy day on Monday. Y'all had a choice. So I did a little student choice activity. You could either choose between the Explore activity or the Read and Write activity. So the Explore was on page 26 and the Read and Write was on page 25. And I always put what the journal pages look like, so that way you know exactly where in your journal you should be working. So let me show you. Sorry, y'all, my computer's going a little slow. So this is what the Read It, Write It page looks like in your journal. And then this is what the Explore page looks like. And no matter which activity you do, you are going to do a quick draw, which is exactly what it sounds like. You're just going to quickly draw something to summarize your learning. I would love it if you could put a caption as well. So what I created was this PowerPoint to kind of give you the information you needed to do the Read It, Write It, or the Explore. So you're going to choose. So Read It, Write It, or Explore. Here is, bopped way too fast. Here we go. So here is the Read It. So you can pop it out. If you click on it, it will load this into a new tab for you. So that way you can see it a little bit bigger. So I will do that for you. So that way it loads and we can see what we're looking at. So what y'all are going to do is you are going to read the prompt that I gave you, and then you're going to answer the 4 questions based off of that prompt. So y'all, it's taking a little bit to load. That's telling me how my day's going to go. So you read this right here, and then you answer 1, 2, 3, 4 right on your paper. So notice how if I go here and I scroll up, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So you either put A, B, C, or D for each of these questions. And then the Write It is 3 questions you need to answer. And you can use the text that you just read. And then similarly so, you have 3 spots to record your answers. So that is choice 1. Choice 2 is the Explore, and that's what it looks like in your journal. Or you can do the Explore. So 1, 2, 3. Question 4 just gives you some data, gives you some information. And it says on slide 8 is the topographic map. So right now we're on slide 7. And I think I actually moved it to slide 9, y'all. My apologies. So right here is the topographic map you're going to use. So you're going to answer those first 4 and then question 5, 6, and 7. But if you notice, if you look on your Explore paper, I have 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7. So I'm missing 4 and 6, which makes sense because if I go back and look at question 4 or number 4, it's not a question. So that's why there wasn't a spot on the answer sheet. And then number 6 also is not a question. It's giving you some information. So that is why when you go to this page, it's only 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7. And then you're going to use this map to answer those questions. And then whether you did the Read It, Write It, or the Explore, you are still required to do the quick draw. So you're going to upload both these pages onto your slideshow. Unless you did the Explore, then you could just do this page. But if you did the Read It, Write It, you have to take a picture of page 25. And then you also need to take a picture of 26 because I wanted you to do that quick draw. And then you're going to insert images into your slideshow, and then you're going to upload your slideshow, the same one you've been using. Don't forget to add from the beginning. And you're going to add that to your slideshow and turn it in. And that's it, y'all. Like I said, nice, easy day. I wanted some time to talk about the tech check and what that's going to look like. So the tech check is going to be the whole first unit. So it is continental drift and plate tectonics and topographic maps. So you're going to want to make sure that you review your stuff, you're kind of asking questions. And on Friday, we're going to get a study guide, a form of a study guide. It'll be a lot more fun, I think. And then on Monday, we'll go over it. And then that will leave us time to take the test on Tuesday. Okay, bye, y'all. You